You need to ensure that the public is going to be protected. And that means to ensure that you've learned a lesson, you're rehabilitating, you've done the IDIP program. That's a positive program. It's taking you more than most to do that program, but you've at least completed the program, which is positive. You're going to have the ability to get your license back or get an occupational prior to the end of your revocation. Your attorney is very correct. The next OWI will be a felony. The one after that is mandatory minimum prison sentences. So it's very important that you figured it out now and that you're not going to engage in this type of behavior before or again. What I will do is I will follow the IDIP guidelines. Despite all of the issues in this case, I'm going to follow the IDIP guidelines. I'm going to assess $1,911 in fines and fees with an additional $10 blood draw fee, 45 days in jail, 24 months of ignition interlock device to be placed on any vehicle you drive. Doesn't mean you need to own that vehicle. If you're going to borrow your mother's vehicle to go down the street to the gas station, it must have the IDIP in it or the interlock in it, or you may not drive the vehicle. 24 months of revocation of driver's license, OWI assessment and driver safety plan, 75 hours of community service. If you wish to convert the 75 hours to additional jail time, you can do so. Talk to Ms. Anderson. She will ensure that the court gets a letter and you must pay for every, it's an additional 8 hours of community service for 1 day of jail time. So it's an additional $18 a day that you would need to pay if you wish to convert any community service to additional jail time. You must report immediately report to jail. And that means that you will have to go sit 48 consecutive hours before you are eligible to be released on monitor. I'm going to tell you.
Full video on YouTube.